ChatGPT is an AI model created by OpenAI. Its whole purpose, it states, is to assist users by providing relevant and accurate information to their questions and requests. So that's what it does, and it has been a game changer, and everyone has been talking about it. So when you hear the whole buzzword out there, it makes you wonder, how are they marketing? I think they're a marketing genius, because right now the amount of people who are talking about it, it just shows how much they've done really good when it comes to their marketing, because everybody, every mother and their dog and their whatever pets and whoever is talking about ChatGPT, including me. So how can you use those principles they've used for their marketing to take advantage of those and use it for your own business to market as they have done? Because they have really done a good job. When you see everyone talking about it, they've done their job well. And you can jump on that and learn how to do the same thing for your own products. Even if you have to get the fraction of the awareness that they're getting for their business, to get it for your own business and do the same thing, it'll be a game changer and for your business to bring that awareness of your products and services and build your business and get more sales. So what are they doing that you can do the same as well? So as you can see, OpenAI is using social media to market their products. They're using their website, they're partnering with other people, they're attending a lot of industry events, they're advertising. So all this is helping them to bring that awareness to their products such as ChatGPT. So they're using that social media in their content marketing and advertising to raise awareness and educate the public about their products and the benefits of AI technology and the potential impact on various industries, because it's being used everywhere. Even my son is talking about how he's had people using it in school to write their essays, and they're using different other AI apps to change it around so that it's not like plagiarism, whatever it is. So it's here. Whether you like it or not, people are taking advantage of it in different areas, in different industries. Now, how can you use this to your own business, and how can you bring awareness of your own products using the strategies that OpenAI has used to market their products such as ChatGPT? So here are some tips that you can use to market your business like OpenAI. So the first thing is to emphasize on innovation. As you can see, OpenAI is known for its cutting-edge AI technology and its focus on driving innovation. So you can market your business in a similar way by highlighting the innovative aspects of your own products and services. So then the other tip that you can do is to focus on value proposition. So OpenAI's marketing efforts focus on showcasing the value that their AI models can bring to various industries and businesses. So you can do the same too by highlighting the unique benefits and value of your products or services that you offer to your customers. Another tip that you have to take advantage is to leverage partnerships, because OpenAI has formed partnerships with various organizations to integrate its models into their products and services. So you can explore similar partnerships within your industry so that you can use to expand the reach of your products and services and increase their impact. So what partnerships can you incorporate into your business? So look around and see who you can partner up, who has products that are more complementary to your products, and you can partner up and bring more of a brand awareness to your products and services. The other tip that you have to do is to use the data to drive decisions. So OpenAI uses data to inform its research and develop efforts and improve its AI models. So you can also use data to inform your marketing and decision strategies. So don't just make decisions based on just emotions. You have to make those decisions based on the strategies, on the data that you're getting, so that you can inform your marketing and business strategies, measuring and adjusting your efforts to maximize the impact. So all these decisions, you have to make them based on data, just as OpenAI has been doing. And the next tip, the next thing that you have to do to help you with your marketing, just like OpenAI, is to invest in thought leadership. OpenAI invests in research and development to remain at the forefront of AI technology and thought leadership in the industry. So you can also invest in thought leadership in your own industry by publishing original research, by speaking at conferences, and participating in relevant events. So look around to see what opportunities that you can take advantage of that to showcase this whole thought leadership in your own industry for your own business, to bring that brand awareness in your business. Overall, marketing your business like OpenAI means focusing on innovation, value proposition, leverage partnership, using data, and investing in thought leadership. So these are going to be very powerful ways of you to start incorporating this into your own business so that you can get the same success that OpenAI has been getting, or something close to what they've been getting, right? And that'll be a game changer for you. So what are you going to do starting from tomorrow? So I hope this has been useful. So take advantage of OpenAI and other softwares that are out there. They're here to help you out with your business, so you can take advantage of that and simplify your business. It's almost like having employees, right? When you're incorporating things like ChatGPT, instead of outsourcing and hiring people, you can use this AI softwares to help you in your business. So take advantage of that. So what are your thoughts on ChatGPT? What do you think they've been doing really well for everybody to be talking about it? Their marketing is really good. So what are you going to be doing for your own business? What of these tips are you going to start integrating in your business to get the success that you are looking for with your business? My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.